You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
Now for the next lab, we will be preparing our environment to accept any extension required for Exchange Server. So first things first, on this VM, I'll mount the Exchange Server 2019 CU14 ISO. So I click on Browse, I find my Exchange Server 2019 CU14 ISO here, click on OK. Now once that is mounted, I just want to know which drive letter it is connected to. So on this one, it will be connected to the drive letter D. And that is traditionally the drive letter that is open here. You can see that it's right here, drive D. All right, so that's good. Now, before I start, I'm going to run one command here. Who am I? Just to make sure that I am on the right track here. Okay, I am. So I say D : and enter. Now, I have copied the commands here and I also made sure that the changes are made based on this. You could have the same domain, you could have the same organization name, it isn't really going to do anything per se, but I'm going to run the commands one after the other and I'm going to complete all three commands and then we'll look at the next steps. So after the successful completion of my first command, I'm going to run the second command right here and I'll wait for this command to complete as well. Once this completes, then I'll run the third and final command and then we will look at the other things that are necessary. Okay, so the second command is also successful. So I'm now going to run the third and final command, that is to prepare all the domains in my forest, which luckily is only one domain. Yeah, and enter. So the only thing that I did wrong while I was copying was like I copied all the way to the top. That's why I took the blank line as well. If I just copied from here and then pasted it, it would have worked normally, but it is a part and parcel of user error. Nothing against the system per se. So remember that. So at this point, my third command is also successfully completed. So I'm going to close my PowerShell here. And I'm going to mount the Microsoft 365 Hybrid Deployments ISO on this machine here. And I'm going to install the Visual C++ 2013 Basics onto this machine. Now the only reason why I'm doing that is so that I can quickly make sure that all of my necessary prerequisites are completed and my environment is properly prepared. So I'm going to run with Microsoft Visual C++ 2013 here. And this is a very quick installation and I'm not doing the right click and run as administrator thing because I'm logged in as the administrator. Because I'm the administrator, I can do that. You don't have to go the extra step every single time. That you don't have to go like run as administrator. You are the administrator. I agree to license terms, install. And once it is done, click on close. Okay, this is good. Minimize it or close it. Now, go to the server manager, click on tools, click on ADSI edit. Right click ADSI edit, click on connect to. And under select a well-known naming context, select configuration. Click on OK. Expand the configuration, go to services and you should see Microsoft Exchange here. That should have Microsoft Exchange, common name services, common name configuration, domain controller, this. It should be there. If it is there, that indicates that everything went successfully and all the necessary prerequisite installations that we did completed successfully on this machine. And because we can see them here, we can conclude that our prerequisite environment preparation is completed and done successfully. So that is the end of this lab. I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.